What is up, guys? Karcher WV2 Plus window vac. As you can see, the product here. So basically in the box you get your product, just a vacuum. Sounds quite quiet. It's very nice. And it just picks up the water. But does it work? Let's test it out. You also get this spray bottle, little solution inside, and a squeegee. We're gonna test it out on this window. Let's go. So this is the window. You see it's a bit dirty. I'm not gonna do the outside because it's freezing. Perfect. I'm gonna get a solution first. Spray it on. So basically I have a bit of sticky on there. I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you can see, but it's like sticky and stuff. But let's get some water on there. And I'll show you how the vac works. So look, that's so much water on there, right? And this is how you use. This is how you use the vac. So you start from the top, turn it on. You literally push down, and it's picking the water up. It's so good. All the way down. That's it. Can you see that? This is dry and this is wet. So it does work. Look. This part is dry, that part's wet. Really good. I'm really happy with this product. That's what you do. And it says there's no streaks. Obviously if I use like proper force and I'll clean it properly. But look how fast that was, look. See that? There's no water on the inside. It's all gone. That's it, disappeared. Love it. Good product that. Very nice. Experiment part 2. I'm going to spray the wall. Got water there. And a bit of water on the tile. So which side should we do? Here. See that? I won't put too much on. So we'll start on the wall, get the karcher, see the wetness. Wow, picks it up, it's amazing. It actually goes, does it go into the cup? Yeah. A few times over and it vacuums it, yeah. Proper dry, not full dry. It's a bit of wet in there, but takes out the tile for sure. To the floor. Let's go. I hear the water. And that's completely done. That's what it is. And these are like grout candles. And it's going straight through. Look at that. Now a mop will just move that around. That's dry already. Ish. A few more times over and it's completely dry. Unbelievable. Thumbs up for this product. Very happy. Really good.